RN1S Coffee Capsules Filling Sealing Machine with Ultrasonic Sealing System.
English and your language's control system.
Easy loading of empty capsules. Capsules low filling sensor. Servo filling system. Ring cleaning system. Flavor dosing system. Cut and seal station. Ultrasonic sealing system. Output to conveyor. Inline weighing system. Reject the unqualified capsules here. Change the parts to produce other capsules. To show how to change the sealing roll. Now let's produce aluminum Nespresso capsules by the same machine. The new AFPAK high-performance filling sealing machine from AFPAK. This machine can be used to fill, seal and assemble prefabricated containers. The AFPAK has been designed for low noise emissions, allows easy access to its components, and meets the highest standards set for process hygiene. The AFPAK guarantees the highest process, integrity thanks to a construction of standardized, replicate components as well as uncompromised safety for people in contact with the machine. CE certificate, European quality. This RN1S machine is super easy to make change to produce different capsules. Welcome to Contact Effect to customize your machine. More than 12 years focus. Only provide the quality solutions.